My dear students, good morning. After telling you about distance and displacement, speed and velocity, acceleration and equation of motion, I am going to tell you today the graphical representation of motion. You know, during motion of an object, we consider distance, displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration, etc. with time, right? So, the process, the way of plotting graph between distance and time, distance oblique displacement, and time, comma, speed oblique velocity and time, and acceleration and time is called graphical representation of motion, right? Here first of all I am going to take graph between distance oblique displacement and time. First case, when here I will take distance and displacement in the same way for the sake of convenience. I will take here distance and displacement in same way and time. When a body moves different distances in different interval of time, or when a body is moving in uniform motion, it will cover equal distances or equal displacement in equal interval of time. So when a graph is plotted between distance and time, this graph is called graph between distance and time or displacement and time, right? The distance time graph, the distance time graph may be of following type. A distance time graph, distance dt graph for an object which is at rest from a reference point reference point means point of origin at particular distance, at some distance. See what happens. Let an object is at 4 meter distance from the reference point, and you have to draw a graph between distance and time, or distance time graph. How will you show it? Let an object this is d meter and time t in second. Let point A, B, C, D. That is, these are different situations. Initially, when you start to see the time, when you start to study the distance, that is motion, or that is distance and time, in beginning, what will happen? At time t0, let distance is 4 meter, and after 5 seconds, let it will be in 4. That is, object is in state of rest at 4 meter from the reference point. 4 meter डिस्टेंस पर रेफरेंस पॉइंट से ऑब्जेक्ट है और वो रेस्टिंग पोजीशन में है, राइट? सो हियर आफ्टर 10 सेकेंड दिस इज इन द सेम पोजीशन 4 मीटर, 15 सेकेंड 4 मीटर. नाउ सो these information on a graph, what will you get? What will you get in this regard? Time axis, time, second, and this is distance axis d, meter. Right? So let 1, 2, 3 and 4. At time t0, distance is 4 meter, so this is point A, and here see again 1 second, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And after not this but 5 seconds, 10, 15 and 20. After 5 seconds, here the object at the same distance. Object is at same distance. This is point B. After 10 seconds, again object is at same distance. Point C. And after 15 seconds, the object is at point D here, and if you join them, you will get a line parallel to x-axis, time axis. So here this line represents the graph for distance and time when object is at rest from reference point at some distance or kept at some distance. Kept at some distance, right? So what will you say? In this case, the graph, the distance time graph, distance time graph is a straight line parallel to principal axis. Parallel to principal axis. Right? See the second case. Point B, when object is in uniform motion. Uniform motion. That is, object is moving with constant speed, constant velocity, right? In this case, object will travel equal distance in equal interval of time. So, the distance time graph, what will be the nature of the distance time graph? Suppose, consider some information regarding the motion of an object during uniform motion like this. D in meter and time. Let at time t0 the distance covered by a body is 0, right? That is, and second, after 5 seconds, let the distance covered is 10 meter. After 10 seconds, let distance covered be 20, and after 15, 30 meter. Now draw the distance time graph using this information. What will you get? meter, and this is 5, 10, 15, 20 time t in second. Now use this information. At time t0, distance covered is 0. This is 1 point. Second, at time 5 seconds, after 5 seconds, distance covered is this one. And after 10 seconds, I am very sorry, here 10 meter. After 10 seconds, distance covered, is 20 meter. After 15 seconds, distance covered is 30 meter. This is point A, point B, and point C. You may write like this. Let point O, A, B, and C. Now join them. What will you get here? You get a straight line making acute angle with time axis, right? In this case, distance time graph is a straight line making acute angle with time axis. That is slope with time axis. Right? So this is the distance time graph for uniform motion. That is, an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, equal displacement in equal interval of time. Right? Third thing, distance time graph for non-uniform motion. During non-uniform motion, an object travels unequal distances in equal interval of time. So consider a case here. Let a data is given to you. An observation is given in this regard. Distance in meter and time in second. A, B and C. At time t0, let distance is 0. At that is after 5 seconds, the distance covered by body, let 10 meter. After 10 seconds, let it be 15 meter, and after 15 seconds let distance covered it 20 meter, and after 20 seconds let distance covered it 20 meter, and after 5 seconds, that is after 25 seconds, let it 30 meter. Now draw. Here you see in first 5 seconds distance covered is 10 meter, and in next 5 seconds distance covered is 5 meter, and in next 5 distance covered is again 5, but in next 5 distance covered is 20 only, 20 and 20, and here that is the object is somewhat in state of rest here between these 2 points, and in this case and the last and in last 5 seconds distance covered is 10 meter. So here body moves unequal distances in equal interval of time. That is, in every 5 seconds the distance covered by object is different, right? So using this data, please draw the distance time graph for non-uniform motion. Five, 10, 15, 20 and 25, and here 10, 20, 30. You may write here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So see here at time t0, here this point you see distance covered is 0. After 5 seconds distance covered is this one, that is 10 meter, and in 10 seconds distance covered is 15 meter. And after next 15 distance covered is 20, and in next 5 seconds distance covered is 20, this one, and last 5 seconds distance covered is 30. Join them, let point O, A, B, C, D and E. Join them, please. What will you get? So this is the distance time graph for non-uniform motion, right? That is actually distance time graph for non-uniform motion. Maybe like this. It may be like this. It may be like this, or right, that is here. Another way of expressing it, it may be like this. Actually, these are different ways. I am taking only one example, which that is will provide you this graph. It may be a curved line. So, distance time graph for non-uniform motion, what will you write? In this case, distance time graph is either curved line or zigzag path, zigzag line, right? So these are about distance time graph. In my next lecture, I will tell you about speed oblique velocity time graph, right? Thank you.